to get fast subscribers and views like 1K, to stop getting 2 views like this video and 100, 15, 20. First go to settings, then go to channel, click advanced settings, click no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that made for kids. Don't click I want to review this setting for every video, and don't click the first one. Click account, not account, not here. And to get subscribers fast, you need to go down and do this, like this. Video watermark. Click upload and make every photo you want, like subscribe, everything you want. I will do this. It's very good. Entire video. When you do this, like I will go to my channel right now. You will see. Wait. Like it saves very much when you click like this. You don't need to get out, just click this. Congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your family, your best friend, even your neighborhood. I want to reach 1K subs and 1K for this video, please. That is just the video. Bye.